Hello and welcome back to HerbNerd TV. I'm Anna, your host, and today we're going to be talking about Arnica, a powerful herb with a wide range of medicinal properties. So, let's get started. Arnica, also known as Arnica montana, is a perennial plant that is native to Europe and North America. The herb has been used for centuries to treat a variety of conditions, including bruising, swelling, and pain. It is often used topically in the form of a cream or ointment, but can also be taken internally as a homeopathic remedy. One of the main active ingredients in Arnica is a group of compounds called sesquiterpene. These compounds are believed to have anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, which may help to reduce pain and inflammation in the body. Arnica is often used to treat minor injuries, such as sprains, bruises, and muscle soreness. Arnica is also rich in flavonoids, which are plant-based compounds that have antioxidant properties. Antioxidants help to protect the body against free radical damage, which can contribute to the development of chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. By consuming foods and herbs that are high in antioxidants, like Arnica, we can help to support our overall health and well-being. In addition to its topical uses, Arnica is also used as a homeopathic remedy for a variety of conditions, including anxiety, insomnia, and digestive issues. Homeopathy is a form of alternative medicine that uses highly diluted substances to stimulate the body's natural healing processes. That's all for today's episode of HerbNerd TV. I hope you learned something new about Arnica and its many medicinal properties. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. And as always, we would love to hear your thoughts and suggestions for future topics in the comments section below.